Sophie, what is today?
Say happy.
Easter.
There you go.
How old are you? And how old's he?
Two.
And how old's she?
10.
Get your basket, Max.
My basket.
Do you think?
Oh,
Do you think the Easter Bunny came?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. Audrey's leading the way. Let's catch up.
Yucky gum Emma. You can eat all my gum, Daddy.
Thank you.
'Cause I don't
Oh,
like it.
Max, it's hard to put Easter eggs in your bucket if it's on your head. Let's wait for Mommy.
I'm trying. I'm just checking my leg.
The gum.
Go.
Mommy, I don't like my gum because it's
I'll eat it.
no, my dad. Easter egg.
Easter eggs.
Piggy's nut.
I have something to eat.
Easter Bunny got rather close to the house.
Easter Bunny's helper got rather close to the house. That's okay. Guys, there are more than where the three of you are. Max.
Max,
No, Max.
there's another one in the cactus. Whoa.
This way. This way. This way, Max.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
Oh, goodness. Max, look up, buddy. Up.
Make sure you actually...
It's got the field of view. Max, Max. Max.
Sophie, behind.
Oh. Max, look down. Okay, he spotted one.
I gave it to my brother. Max, is it okay if I have this blue one? Because I have picture blue ones too.
That's okay. Guys, I think there are more over here.
Oh, I see another blue one. Wow, this is almost full.
They're all almost full. Oh no!
Oh, fall down.
We had a spill. Sophie, look. There's a pink one.
Mickey Hitter. Oh, mine is so heavy. I can't even carry it. Let's see what we got in there.
Did we get them all?
In the house. Did we get them all, guys? Do a second sleep.
Oh,
Mayday. That's okay. We're okay.
oh, Max, I don't think there are any over there, buddy.